In this video, we are going to talk about Cerave Hydrating Facial Cleanser. Cerave Hydrating Facial Cleanser is a gentle, non-foaming cleanser that is designed to help hydrate and restore the skin's natural barrier. The formula contains ceramides, hyaluronic acid, and glycerin, which work together to help retain the skin's natural moisture while removing dirt, oil, and makeup. Let's get started. Many users report that this cleanser leaves their skin feeling soft, smooth, and hydrated. It is especially well suited for those with dry or sensitive skin, as it is free from harsh ingredients that can cause irritation. Some users also appreciate that it is non-foaming, as foaming cleansers can strip the skin of its natural oils. Overall, the Cerave Hydrating Facial Cleanser is a well-received product, with many users noting its effectiveness in hydrating and restoring the skin's natural barrier. It is also widely available, making it an accessible and affordable option for those looking for a gentle, hydrating cleanser. The face wash itself is unscented, which I appreciate. Fragrances in my products can be okay, but I prefer them to be unscented if possible, because I've found that some scented products can cause irritation when it comes to my skin. The texture of this cleanser is a mix between jelly and lotion, and while it's thick when you first pump it into your hand, it thins out into a silky liquid once you add water and start applying it to your face. The first time I used it, I was a little taken aback. The product doesn't foam, lather, or give off the tingling feeling that I'm used to with some face washes. When I was slathering it across my face, it almost felt like I was rubbing my face with a really light moisturizer. As for the actual face washing part, I typically use one pump and massage it onto my skin for about 30 seconds. Dermatologists recommend you wash your face for the length of time it takes you to sing the alphabet twice. I then rinse it with warm water. I like to double cleanse, so if I'm not using a cleansing balm to remove my makeup first, I take another pump of this product and repeat the first two steps. This cleanser also removes makeup, so while I do prefer my favorite makeup removers, if I'm in a pinch, I know I can always use this cleanser to remove the toughest makeup, even waterproof mascara. It took about a week to see the full benefits of using this face wash, but after just 7 days, my skin was totally transformed. I had got used to my face feeling tight and dry after cleansing, something I thought was normal and signified that my skin was actually clean. Little did I know that the moisturizers I had been using previously were actually stripping my skin of its natural oils and drying it out even more. This face wash was the first product I used that actually left my skin feeling moisturized, meaning that even if I accidentally forget to apply face cream before bed, I won't wake up with dry flakes and red, itchy spots. We are going to end this video right away. If you have any query or information to share, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.